Alright guys, Daniel, this is it.
Hey buddy.
This is for you, bud. And every other YouTuber out there too. Believe it or not, we get the new streetcar. I'm right at where we're starting, just so that you, Daniel, know. We are starting at where?
We're on Roncesvalles Avenue.
Roncesvalles Avenue.
In Toronto.
What's the streetcar number?
I can't see yet. 50 something.
50.
Maybe 4. It might be the
could
King.
be 504.
It could be the King car.
But we do get the new streetcar.
Yeah, it was the King car coming up, turned on Roncesvalles, and now we're headed towards Dundas West Station.
Yeah.
It's a 504.
504?
Yeah. You got it.
Here it comes.
Okay.
.504 King to Dundas West Station via King.
There. Yeah, there's a gap. Okay. Hang on.
Where do we stand?
We can stand over here a bit. Just back. And then there's a railing just behind you there. You can rest your cane actually just right here against the window. Oh, it's okay. He wants to stand actually. And then right down here there's a perfect handle for you.
Oh, we'll be riding backwards though. You'd be riding backwards.
You can, I don't know what, do you want to switch hands so you can grab it to the other side? There you go.
Ooh.
Next stop, Bankstead Avenue.
Oh, right underneath the speaker too. Sweet. I just hope my thing doesn't die on me. Flexity outlook. Listen to this.
Please look right for traffic when exiting. 504 King to Dundas West Station via King.
Oh my gosh, Dan, it doesn't do the we have a chime. Yeah, this is definitely 504. That's the stop request.
Next stop, Bloor Street West.
What kind of streetcar is this, Gina?
Bombardier. Made by Bombardier, Flexity Outlook. 504. The driver's booth is enclosed. So the driver can get out and help if necessary.
I think the driver might be switching with somebody.
Really? I think you're right. They're switching? Is there a spot where we can like stand on like to the right? Like I can hold my camera?
No, that's where people get on and off.
How as close to the front can we get?
We're pretty close as you can get.
Yeah?
The driver's right here. He's just opening up the
Streetcar.
booth.
That's the driver. Flexity Outlook. There you go, Dan. That's what you were looking for. Just to give you a lookout, it's you can see right out the window. And see? How cool is that? Oh, where's the speakers?
It's just above there. Hang on.
The speaker is where?
It's about a foot above where you're holding your phone.
Where? Right there. We'll listen to the stop request. And by the way, the announcement is done by Heather. But it's a text-to-speech voice. So Dan, I'll let you get a clear listen to this next announcement, just to prove that it's so. Oh, and we might even hear the chime. Wait for it. The door is to my right. And oh, bang! Here comes the voice.
Next stop, Dundas West Subway Station.
That's us. That's us.
That's us.
I will pause the video and we will continue on. Next,
On the subway.
we're going to ride the subway. Oh. All right. Whoa. Yeah, you can hear the poles squeaking. Sometimes that happens. Wait, how do we get off? How do we tell them to get off? Oh.
It's the end of the line. Everybody gets off.
All right.
Came back. Pretty much there's a little step here.
Cage. To the R2 station, via Cage.
All right. So now we go to ride the subway?
Yeah. Just got a door here.
All right, I'm gonna pause the video and next thing you do, we'll
Watch
the
it.
subway. So, here we go. Okay, Dan, guess what? We're not quite riding the subway just yet. We're gonna ride an elevator. I have no idea what type of elevator it is. But,
Okay, you want to press the button?
yeah,
That one's the help button. Or, sorry, would you have known that from reading it?
yeah. It is a... Oh, look at this. Look at this, guys. Down and rail and help button there. Right there. See that? Anybody can tell me. I think it's a Schindler. No. No, I don't, it's not. Buses. Buses. See? Right there. Buses.
Yeah, this is buses and streetcars
Buses.
on this level. And then we're going to go down a couple stories to to the tracks.
At track level.
Yeah.
Where's this?
Somebody was just had just gotten on it when we got here. We just missed the elevator.
Down. What do you... Oh,
It's coming now. Yeah.
is it here?
No, wait. Okay, there's people getting off, so we're gonna stand back a bit. Yeah, very good.
I think it's in Niagara or something like that. Adam.
Lots of people, so hang on. Okay.
All good?
Very good.
Where's the button?
Just to your, oh, sorry, no, just back to your left here.
Right there?
Yeah.
2? 3? Where are we going?
I guess 3. It says eastbound.
See?
That's confusing. Concourse or eastbound? Yeah, we want eastbound, so I guess concourse means westbound.
Did we hit the right floor?
Yeah, we're good. I guess maybe there's another elevator for the westbound.
See, look at that. Oh, it goes beep beep for down down. That's cool.
Alright.
That's accessible. T1 train, Daniel. T1 train.
Right on platform level.
Looks like we're riding a T1. Oh yeah.
Now, so we're at track, we're on the platform, right?
Yeah.
So
Hang on.
Yeah, we're at
All right.
okay. We're on the platform at Dundas West Station.
Where is there a strip?
Yeah, there is. Now,
Where is it?
Now it's about 3-4 feet from us, and it's only about 2 feet.
Right there.
Yeah.
So any blind person, I might show Nana this. What do you
Yeah.
think of this, Nana? Do you think this is safe for a blind person?
It's quite the drop off of
Quite
there.
the
So
drop?
I'm gonna hold you still here, and I'm just gonna guide your cane, and
Okay.
you'll see exactly how far out it goes. Okay?
Yeah.
Like
don't
there's
get
the edge.
Yeah.
Right. So it doesn't.
There's
Doesn't
not
give
even
you a lot.
A rail.
No.
Oh, this is my favorite sensation in the world.
Oh.
Can we ride the front car?
We're at the back. Oh yeah. This is what I was talking about. Like, we have to go up a little ways because there's going to be a gap down here. See, there's a sizable gap at the end. This is the last car. We'll get the first car on the next one, okay? So we're going, yeah, very good. There's a bit of a step there, mind the gap. Okay. Now, you want to stand?
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay, he wants to stand, yeah. Thank you very much. Okay, so, we're hanging onto the rail here, and there's one right beside you.
Next station is Lansdowne.
There you go.
Lansdowne Station.
Yeah.
Oh, Dan, guess what, bud? You won't believe this, but I think we are on an H series. Yeah,
This is,
we're on an H series.
Okay. Wait, film, there's the,
Huh?
it's kind of blurry because it says battery close.
Battery closed?
Oh, low battery.
No battery?
Yeah.
Hold on. That's normal. Don't worry.
I think it's still filming though. Yeah, it's still,
Speech on.
it's still rolling.
Speech.
Okay.
Speech on. 20% close.
There.
Close. Camera. Speech off.
Now you can.
And I can film it? Oh,
Yeah.
there we go. Okay, so it's got the plate here that says it was made in, that's kind of blurry. You'll have to take my word for it.
T1 series.
Bombardier.
The next station
Thunder
is
Bay.
Dufferin
It doesn't say what model though.
T1.
Okay.
T1.
You know better.
T1. The chime proves it.
P1 or T1?
T1. T1.
Conductor at the back here, I can ask him.
Yeah.
Are we riding with T1? Yes. Yeah. There you go.
That's a conductor?
He knows his elevators and his subways, streetcars. Yeah.
I've always wanted to know how they operate these subways.
Sorry. Do you want to hang on? I'll hang on to your cane. You hang on to the railing?
Yeah. Because I want to go to the front cab of the cab car.
So someone at the front's driving? Yeah. And you're back here each times? Just to...
No, there's always two people on each train.
Okay.
So we're partners for the days. He always drives east, I always drive west.
Oh, there you go. So we would have been in the front car if we were going the other way. But
When he's driving, I'm guarding.
Yeah.
When he's guarding, I'm driving.
you hear that?
What?
So this gentleman here stays back here, and he's essentially there's one at each end.
Yeah.
And they keep an eye out when they stop to make sure there's no one having trouble getting on and off. The guy in front drives, and then when it gets to the end of the line, this gentleman here he drives westbound.
How do you operate the doors anyways?
How do you operate the doors? Oh, he's got some buttons in front of him, so it's manual. Yeah, which is good because he'll have a look to see that no one's having trouble getting on or anything. And, yeah. You got any other questions?
As far as I know, are they ever going to put like rails, like doors, so that, to prevent blind people from falling off? Besides the little strip there.
What was that question?
He's talking on the platform. Has there ever been a discussion of having railings?
There actually has been discussions, yeah. A lot of the subways across the world, they do that.
Yeah.
Right? To avoid doors opening off the platform.
Yeah.
If you somebody,
Yeah.
I would definitely job and stay about
Yeah.
right? So,
Yeah.
but yeah, they plan on that subway TTC.
Yeah. Right.
TTC, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Because Jacob lives up north, but talks about if he was going to be living in Toronto, how he'd get around. He knows where he's going and stuff, and he knows how to read the braille. And he's teaching me a lot about crosswalks and things. But the only problem really with the subway is the gap of when the train comes in and the space that is left open. And then, but he knows about the guides along the platform. Yeah. So, remember I was worried about the space?
Yeah.
Well, there would be, the employees or the people on the train, the conductors would be, he sticks his head right out the window to make sure that, he'd probably call to you that you need to come a little closer to the doors, if somebody else wasn't there to help you.
Oh. So the subway would be safe for me. I just have to
think
get a
so.
bit of training and stuff, but like learning how to.
Yeah.
Next station is Dundas.
Have you ever had to tell someone who is visually impaired to come closer to the train?
We've assisted them at times, but
Yeah.
most of them, once they've been doing it for a while, they're very comfortable. They start getting to understand exactly where they need to go. But yeah, like if he was to walk out the doors and make a right instead of
Yeah.
I see him
Yeah.
walking towards where I know there's no exit, and
Right.
I wouldn't even close my doors and let the train go, and so I knew it was okay, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Or coming to the platform and approaching it where there was no car, like where.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
Is there a stop?
Uh,
Or where are we getting off at?
we're gonna transfer at St. George.
St. George.
We've got we're at Bathurst now.
Bathurst?
Yeah. And then we're hitting Spadina. And then we're gonna hit St. George.
There are the doors.
Yeah. Now you got one more station to make a decision whether you want 2 more streetcar rides or 1 more subway ride?
I want to ride the new subway. I want to ride the new subway Toronto
The next
Rocket.
station is Spadina.
The new rocket.
Spadina Station.
The new subway car?
Yeah, the new subway car. The one that says, "Please stand clear of the doors."
Oh, okay. I think it's just luck of the draw what kind of car you get on the subway. I don't think it's dedicated like the streetcar.
Well, the Toronto Rocket. Yeah.
Arriving at Spadina Station.
Well, do you want to take our chances with the subway then? That we might get a new one? Do you know which lines have the new subways?
Yeah, if you want to get off of St. George or Yonge and go upstairs, you guys can catch the Yonge University line. You got the nice new train.
Oh, here we go.
Okay.
That's just what we'll do.
So the doors, they swing out.
Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on to where you were hanging on. There you go. Yeah, the transfer point that we were going to take.
I want to ride the Sprint cab car.
All right. Oh yeah, I could make it.
The next
We
station is St. George.
could. Yeah, we'll take the southbound University line subway here, and then we'll take 1 more streetcar after.
Yeah.
Right on. Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. I'm opening the doors on that side.
Okay. There you go. Okay.
Wow.
We're switching over to the other side now. So we're gonna get exit on the different side than we came in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be safe. Have a good night, okay?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll see you on the subway again soon, or what?
Yeah. Maybe.
What's that?
He said maybe I'll see you on the subway again sometime.
Thanks.
Yeah.
I'll keep an eye out for you, okay?
Great.
Oh, thank you very much.
All right, see you guys.
Take care. Okay, buddy. There's your cane back. We got to get off on the other side here. Hang on, let me get turned around here. There we go. Oh, no. Me turn around. There we go. Okay.
There he goes.
Yeah. And hold on tight against the train. So, why don't I stand still?
That was him. He blew the horn.
Yeah. There you go. So I'm on the side that is the tracks, okay?
Yeah.
So you got a wall beside you. And,
That was nice of him to honk.
totally. Nice guy.
How am I doing on my? Yeah, we're doing good.
Say hi to them and I'll leave.
Well, Daniel, I hope you're being satisfied with this. Listen to that. Whoa.
Okay, we're really gonna have to be careful here. There's lots of people. The escalator's just gonna be
Yeah, no worries.
very packed along the platform's not very big there.
Yeah. Whoa. We're going up.
You got it.
So then, that was the T1. Now we're gonna ride the subway rocket. Hopefully
Okay.
we'll get the front.
Pay attention here. We're coming to the top of the escalator. All right.
Gotcha.
Get ready and
And
step. And step. Nice. Very good. Okay. Still haven't seen a sign for. Okay, we're on the St. George platform. We want southbound.
southbound.
There we go. This doesn't look like a new car.
What's that?
This doesn't look like a new car.
No? Doesn't?
Oh yeah, it is. Sorry.
We can actually go right up to the front.
Yeah.
Right up to the
You want to
front.
go? We'll wait for the next one. We'll go over to the front. Okay.
Alright. Here comes that chime, Dan.
Please stand clear of the doors.
There you go.
Now you got the tracks on your side. Are you okay? I got your arm.
What's that?
Are you okay? The tracks are on your side right now.
Yeah.
But I got your arm. Okay.
Don't worry.
Okay.
I'll
There's-
use my. That's the strip.
Yeah.
Sorry. Oh, looks like they had a little door faulty action.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll get the front. Here we go, here we go. Where's the front?
Okay. Here we are. We're right up by the where the elevator is.
What's that?
There's an elevator right here.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna wait on the platform here for the train to come in, and we're gonna have hopefully the
new one.
yeah.
I hear something. You see the third rail?
Yeah.
That's about a couple hundred volts, 1,000 volts right there.
Third rail. The one on the outside, right?
Yeah.
Speech on. Stop recording video. Speech
Yeah.
off.
I can almost hear the electricity.
Yeah. So just stay still for a second. I'm gonna try and have a look at what you're talking about. Okay. So there's the two tracks.
Yeah.
Or the track, but with the two
Okay.
panels for the subway car, right? And
Yeah.
then there's a third one on the outside that's bigger.
Bigger.
And it looks like something.
So if you fall off the tracks, you'd still be okay, but you.
Oh, here it comes. It's like one of the new ones.
Stop right in front of us! Bam!
All right. Doesn't get much better than that. Okay, just let these people exit. People exit in there. And then hop on. Okay, a little bit of a gap. Okay,
And
yeah, we're right at the front.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Okay,
Whoa.
see your over here?
yeah,
To your right, there's a handle there. There's an enclosed cab for the driver there.
woo! What is that?
I don't know.
Comes the chime again, I think. We are still recording.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Right up front. See, this one hardly has an inverter sound, doesn't it, Dan?
Next station is Museum. Museum Station.
Old and new subway comparison.
Big turn.
Big turn. By the way, what line are we traveling on?
We're on the Young University line.
Young University Spadina.
Okay, yeah. Yep.
And you said the cab car is enclosed?
Yeah.
So where are we getting off at this time?
Well, that's what you get to decide. We could take.
Okay.
We could get off at St. Patrick's
Arrival.
Station.
You can get off at
Museum.
where?
St.
Museum
Patrick.
Station.
Okay.
Doors will open
And
on the
take
left.
a streetcar to the bus station, or we can ride this car all the way down the loop and come out at Dundas station.
Why don't we do St. Patrick's?
Okay. Sounds good.
Ah, see, that's the other thing that I was saying. The new T1 series doesn't
Please
say
stand clear of the doors.
what door will open. This one does. It tells you what door will open. Whoops.
Gotta keep hanging on.
Yep.
So that's museum station. Do you know why it's called museum?
Because of the Royal Ontario Museum.
You got it.
Queen's Park. Queen's Park Station.
On the platform here, there's bars on the platform, I guess, when they're transporting goods in and out of the museum. They'll use the train tracks. I think that's. I can't be 100% on that, but I think that's why that happened. Another cool thing about this subway is that you can look all the way down to the end. It's not broken up into separate cars.
About this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You knew that, probably.
Yeah. So you could actually walk from one end to the other.
Yeah.
Arriving at Queen's Park. Queen's Park Station. Doors will open on the left.
Doors will open on the left. Am I right near a door?
Yep.
The door on the right?
Yeah. So it's not going to open. What's at Queen's Park?
High Park?
Nope.
Please stand clear of the
Political.
doors.
that?
Government.
Government?
Yeah. It's the Ontario legislature.
Oh.
So where the premier and all those people do their thing.
Oh. That's where it is.
Yeah.
Next station is St. Patrick.
Oh.
St.
Yeah,
Patrick
this is
Station.
us.
So the cab is over there.
Yep. The it's about 2 feet.
Yeah.
to that. Yeah. That's where it is, right there. You almost touched the door to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think on the new on the old subway it's different.
Yeah, because that guy was talking to us. It was
Yeah.
open, and he had just a little.
Real nice guy.
Yeah.
Real nice.
Arriving at St. Patrick. St. Patrick Station. Doors will open on the left.
We're moving on the left.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Heather. How do you know her name's Heather?
Because the Daniel told me.
Ah. Okay. Little gap.
Mind the gap.
Yeah. It's
Ooh,
about.
ooh, it's quiet. I want to hear this. This is how quiet it goes.
Pretty cool.
Wow. That's like the perfect spot. If I wanted to live here, this would be perfect.
Yeah. It's the Dundas and University. There's not a lot of residential.
No.
It's close to Chinatown. You should be able to find an apartment there.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. So what was the guy telling us about the little strip, the when you were the blind and stuff like that?
Oh, what I was asking, well, you were asking
Yeah.
as well, was about the guardrails.
Yeah. And
He says they talk about it, and they're hoping to implement it.
please.
A lot of places around the world do it,
Yeah.
but you know, you mentioned things move slowly,
I
right?
kind of feel, you know, a little bit nervous because you know if I fall off the tracks, now of course there's an emergency cut-off
Yeah.
thing that you can use with the panel.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, there is. You see the little help pole right there? There should be a little pole coming up,
I don't
and
see
there's
it.
a little. It's like a little panel where if you see somebody falling off the tracks, you
Oh, okay.
you hit that little you break that little thing and you hit the button and it cuts off the power. But that's why they say only use it in an emergency.
Yeah, get ready. There's another train coming in on our side. And on the other side. So quiet though, right?
That's PR for you.
Yeah. Now I think they're working on the elevator here, maybe. That can't be. There's got to be one somewhere, but this is a escalator. Yeah. This station's under
Under
renovation.
construction. I hope you got a good sound of the inverter, Dan. I'm sure you heard it. Oh, there's an H series over there.
Okay. And step. Step.
One last streetcar ride, guys.
Yeah.
It'd be nice if we get an old one because then we'll be able to really appreciate the difference in TTC.
So we have to go to here. Now, Jake, on your password, I don't know if you want to pause your video.
What's that?
Hey. No, we're okay, thanks. Yeah. Huh? Oh, this nice lady was just asking if we needed a hand. Okay, now, do you want to...
What?
Sorry, do you want to pause your phone for a second?